Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so quickly, let's quickly check out this. Okay, but before I go fully into it, guys, in case you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, the performance also depends um on what on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the 500 profit per day, it all depends on your capital and the lot size you are using. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with gain x 1200. This is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Actually, this started a downtrend long before now. And of course, it got to this region. This support wasn't able to break out from there. It went up a bit and played out there for a while before pulling back. And of course, it's trying to go back up to see if it can break out above this particular resistance region. If it happens, then definitely it's going to buy more. So for now, we still expect more of a buying opportunity because it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is very, very important. We expect more of a buying opportunity right here. Okay. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. Got to this support zone and able to break out from there. So right from there, it went into an uptrend and it has been buying since then. Okay, I actually dropped this particular signal in the Telegram group also, and of course, it has gotten to the first TP, second TP. It's trying to achieve the top TP right now. Okay, so this is a win-win opportunity for those of us in the Telegram channel. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay. So the next asset is going to be PNX 1200. This is PNX 1200. I actually gave us this illustration of the illustration of this chart in the morning when I posted a video in the morning, and I told you that this particular chart had been moving within this within this channel. Okay, and as you can see, it got there at this point, and of course it came down again, and of course this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity at the moment. Okay, so we should watch out from there. When it gets to the lower part of the channel, then we should expect it to buy again if it does not break out from there. Okay, now let's move on to PNX 999. Okay, let's check it out together. This is PNX 999. This has been on downtrend for a very long time. If you should remember, we've been on this asset for long, and of course it is still selling till now. Okay, got to this support zone, broke out below it, and of course it has gotten to a new support zone. And as we can see, this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so we should notice that. Okay, so if it breaks out below that support zone, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, we are most likely to see a change in direction of the trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80, still on 50-minute time frame. This has been on downtrend for long. As you can see, it has been playing within this region for a very long time, and of course got into the support zone again because it was unable to break out successfully from the trend line. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, so this is going to be more selling than buying. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand the strategies shared there. Practice first on your demo account. Practice and perfect the skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, and if you want free signals, you can join the Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the description box, and you're going to find it pinned down to the comment section. Okay, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.